If you want to find out how I made this beautiful lipstick palette, definitely keep watching. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me if this is your first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I hope that you guys are doing great. I hope that you are staying safe with your families. I hope that you're indoors and you are taking all precautionary measures, okay, to keep you and your family safe. In the light of this worldwide pandemic that is going on, I know that God is listening to our prayers, and that He's going to send His healing powers around the world and make the world a better place for us all to live, all right? But while this goes on, please do not panic. Make sure that you and your families are safe, all right? I was going through my video files recently, and then I found this video that I had made a while back sitting there. For some reason, I never posted it, and I don't even know the reason why. So I've had this e.l.f. palette for a while. It's a concealer palette. I've used it, and you can see I've used out the major part of the product except for this one, and it's already going bad, so I don't use it anymore, all right? But this palette is so cute that I can't even imagine disposing the palette. It's so compact, it's so unique, and I came up with an idea to still retain this palette even though the concealer is used out. So I'm going to be deputting these lipsticks into this palette, okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do this. You'll be needing a palette, either a new one or something like mine. So you need a palette, you need your lipsticks, you need your matchstick, you need a candle, you need spoon. You will need this little guy here, this spatula that comes with your mixing tray. You will need this, and you will definitely be needing this isopropyl alcohol. So I use this one from Hega and Esther. I've been using this for a long time. You know, I feel that every makeup artist is supposed to have this isopropyl alcohol in their kit, as in is a must-have. There's so many things you can do with this product, okay? You can disinfect your tools. For instance, you can use it to disinfect this spatula here. You can use it to disinfect your brushes. You can use it to disinfect your concealers. You can use it to disinfect your powder product. There are so many things you can do with this, okay? So I feel that this is a must-have for every makeup artist. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clean this out. I'm going to clean this out because it is quite dirty. We don't want the product, so I'm going to clean it out. Sanitize it right now, and I'm going to make sure that all my work tools are germ free by spraying this alcohol on them, okay? So spray that. this is clean already, so I'm going to set this aside and move on to the next thing. The next thing is to have these little guys here sanitized so that we don't contaminate our lipsticks. They are already washed. I've washed them already, but I just want to be double sure that they are clean. So, and on to the next step. So for the next step, we're going to be starting off with our lipsticks. You know, our spoon has already been sanitized. I'm going to start off with this. This is my first lipstick. It's the Milani matte lipstick. Scoop it into the spoon. So once I have that inside the spoon, I'm going to place it over this candle. So I'm going to place it over the candle for it to melt. So I'm going to place it over the candle for it to melt. You can see it's beginning to melt. I'm going to allow this melt completely. So we are moving on to the next one. So at the end of the day, I might just be having 3 colors of lipstick here. See. Small. So I'm just going to cut out this much and leave this here. I can always make another one when I run out of. So same process, we're going to melt. While it's still hot so that you can get the entire color out. The next one is going to be so this is fully melted. Can you see? So I'm going to transfer it back. I'm going to transfer it into the palette. You can even mix colors and come up with your own custom shade. It's not a must. It's the shade, like if you have shades that you've worked with and you like them, you can customize different lipsticks to come up with your own shade. And there you have it. So I'm going to clean out any mess. I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes to solidify, and I'm going to show you the final outcome. I think, guys, you are going to love it. Like, you're going to love it. You'll never have to carry those little lipsticks around anymore, because this is going to be saving you a lot of space. Imagine that you're using a bigger palette to do this, guys. Just imagine how this is going to save your life.